From the national capital. Viewers, there has been a dramatic twist in Delhi Dangal. Just weeks before Delhi Assembly elections, black flags were in fact shown to Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal while he was campaigning in the New Delhi constituency. Aam Aadmi Party has alleged that these were BJP candidate Parvesh Verma's goons and shared a video to allege that even stones were pelted on Kejriwal's vehicle in a bid to attack him. Aam Aadmi Party claimed that Kejriwal is being targeted because the BJP wants to stop him from campaigning and asserted that the party will take legal action. Aam Aadmi Party also shared pictures of the alleged attack on its X handle and claimed that the man who attacked Kejriwal was a close aide of Parvesh Verma.
आज बौखलाहट की हालत देखिए कि अरविंद केजरीवाल के ऊपर पत्थर से हमला कर रहे हैं। प्रवेश वर्मा के लोगों ने अभी जो जानकारी मिली, मैं अभी सभा में था, कि उनके ऊपर पत्थर से हमला किया। ये गुंडागर्दी से चुनाव जीतना चाहते हो दिल्ली का? हमला करके चुनाव जीतना चाहते हो? आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता, आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता न तुम्हारे आगे कभी झुके हैं न झुकेंगे। ऐसे कायराना हरकतें क्यों करते हो? उससे क्या हासिल हो जाएगा? तो इसलिए ये कायरों की पार्टी है बीजेपी। इनके सामने हम लोग रुकने और झुकने वाले नहीं हैं।
भाजपाई अपनी बौखलाहट अब इस तरह जाहिर कर रहे हैं। हाल ही में एमएचए ने कहा था कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के ऊपर थ्रेट परसेप्शन है। अब परवेश वर्मा एकदम बौखला गए हैं। देखिए, डेफिनेटली वी विल परसू जो भी लीगल रेमेडी अवेलेबल होगी, बट ये एक छोटी बात थोड़ी है। एक अरविंद केजरीवाल जी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर लीडर्स द कंट्री हैज टुडे। उनकी सुरक्षा के साथ खिलवाड़ अच्छी बात नहीं है।
Now, viewers, the sources in the Delhi police denied any kind of attack on either the BJP or the Aam Aadmi Party candidate from New Delhi constituency. Sources said that there were protesters who were removed from the spot. BJP candidate from New Delhi, Parvesh Verma, also refuted Aam Aadmi Party's charges and instead alleged that Kejriwal's car ran over a youth and hit two others, leaving them injured. He went to Delhi's Lady Hardinge Hospital to meet the people who got injured. Parvesh Verma even claimed that Kejriwal's convoy hit the local people because the former chief minister was scared of facing their questions. BJP is also now planning to initiate legal action in this matter.
Kejriwal has leveled very serious kind of allegation. What do you have to say on this?
देखिए, केजरीवाल की खुद की गाड़ी ने तीनों लोकल जो यहाँ के यूथ है उनको अपनी गाड़ी से टक्कर मारी है। तीनों को सीरियस इंजरी है। तीनों के पैर में जो है चोट आई है। अभी तीनों का इलाज चल रहा है और इसके बाद में हम यहाँ के लोकल पुलिस स्टेशन पे एक यहाँ पे अरविंद केजरीवाल के खिलाफ में एफआईआर दर्ज कराने जा रहे हैं।
लगता है ये मिसलीड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल।
देखिए, वहाँ पे इलेक्शन कमीशन थे, वहाँ पे पुलिस थी, सबके पास में वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है। एक नहीं 50-50 वीडियो हैं। जब वो सबके सामने आएगी तो सबको सच पता लग जाएगा।
So we had been interacting with the Parvesh Verma. He is saying that we are going to launch an FIR against them because it was the local residents who were hit by the Arvind Kejriwal.
Let's now go across to my colleague Tejshri joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Tejshri, so cops clearly denying, the claims that are being made by Aam Aadmi Party. That's what sources in police had mentioned. But what's the real story? What exactly has happened in this New Delhi constituency?
Well, you see, there are different versions by several parties, several party leaders. But let us first talk about what Aam Aadmi Party says. Aam Aadmi Party alleged that Arvind Kejriwal was first of all campaigning in New Delhi. He was holding door-to-door campaign, and there while he was holding a campaign at that particular point of time, the goons sent by Parvesh Verma of BJP attacked Arvind Kejriwal, and not just attacked but also pelted stones, threw bricks. Then they released a video of that particular individual who also is a close associate of Parvesh Verma, is also the New Delhi BJP candidate from New Delhi. Number two, if we talk about what Delhi police has said, Delhi police is refuting all such kind of incident, and Delhi police is saying that no such attack has taken place, whereas BJP alleges that the attacker in fact who was from the BJP, who was not an attacker, but who was intentionally attacked by Aam Aadmi Party, and he was hit by Arvind Kejriwal's car intentionally, and that's why he's hospitalized. Now, both the parties, BJP and Aam Aadmi Party, are willing to take legal action. Aam Aadmi Party also said that they are going to take legal action. They will be filing a complaint, and just now we also heard Pravesh Verma, the BJP candidate, that he also said that BJP is also going to file an FIR in this entire matter. But you see, as far as the entire matter is concerned, this is certainly going to escalate, because now Delhi elections will be held on 5th of February, and we'll have to see that will this particular incident be also an incident that will also be setting a narrative or agenda, because earlier also we have been seeing that attacks have taken place on Arvind Kejriwal. Meanwhile, he was campaigning in the national capital. But such kind of incident where stones were pelted and then the BJP alleges that it was that Arvind Kejriwal's car had hit the attacker. So this is something new which we are witnessing in the national capital. And in fact, the alleged attacker, in fact, who is hospitalized as of now in Lady Hardinge, he also says that he was hit by the car intentionally by Aam Aadmi Party, by Arvind Kejriwal. This is what the statement is coming from him. However, Delhi police is denying any such kind of attack. But yes, certainly both the parties are not going to sit quiet. They are also going to rake up this issue as far as the attack is concerned.
Well, all this clearly shows, amidst these charges and counter charges that we are seeing, one thing is clear, that it is a high stakes battle as far as the national capital is concerned. And as we move closer to the polling date, I mean, it's just, getting fierce every single day. The political temperature is just rising almost on a daily basis. Tejri, stay on with us as we are seeing this face-off over Kejriwal attack bid. Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party has countered Aam Aadmi Party's version. Listen in to what Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP had to say.
एनार्किस्ट अपराधी पार्टी एपी आपका मतलब बन चुका है एनार्किस्ट अपराधी पार्टी। जिस प्रकार से अरविंद केजरीवाल ने गाड़ी चढ़ा दी अपनी दो युवकों पर सवाल पूछने के लिए, ये उनकी तानाशाही मानसिकता को भी दर्शाता है, बौखलाहट को भी दिखाता है, पर दिखाता है कि किस प्रकार से अब हिंसा पर उतर आई है आम आदमी पार्टी, क्योंकि उनके पास सवालों के जवाब नहीं है और फिर झूठ बोलते हैं कि हम पे हमला हो गया। हमने तो देखा है कि किस प्रकार से बार बार ये झूठा नैरेटिव, इंक का हमला, कभी कोई और हमला, पानी का हमला, और फिर निकलता है आम आदमी पार्टी का ही कोई कार्यकर्ता। तो ये स्पॉन्सर्ड हमला करवाना तो इनकी पुरानी फितरत है, पर अब जब उन्होंने गाड़ी चढ़वा दी है दो युवकों पर, तो ध्यान भटकाने के लिए और विक्टिमहुड कार्ड खेलने के लिए अब किसी और पर आरोप डालने की कोशिश की जा रही है।
Let's go back to Tejri, my colleague who continues to be with us at this point in time. Tejri, now both the sides are also mulling possible legal options, in what they are saying. Are both these sides individually going to file complaints against each other with police?
Well, absolutely. As of now, what we are getting to know is that one thing is very clear, that BJP will be filing an FIR, because Pravesh Verma just mentioned in the interview that he gave to Times Now that yes, they will be filing an FIR. When they will be filing an FIR, that we'll have to see. Number two, if we talk about Aam Aadmi Party just said that yes, they are also going to take legal action. But when they are going to take a legal action, what we are getting to know is that tomorrow again will be again a high political drama in the national capital as far as this entire incident is concerned. Because as you were also mentioning, that as we are inching closer towards the Delhi Assembly elections, then yes, the political battles, the war of words, the war of letters, and now the war of allegations are also escalating. Earlier, you remember, we saw that there were war of words, then there were war of letters, then there were in fact a war of allegations, and now we are seeing that this is if we talk about this particular incident, then this is a war of attack. The allegations of in fact, war of allegations, we should say, that is underway between Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. But as far as the legal actions are concerned, then yes, both the parties seem to file a legal action. They will be filing a complaint, then the FIR, then again the statements will be taken, because Aam Aadmi Party has also highlighted that earlier also threats were given to Arvind Kejriwal. He was given he had a live threat, and now they are questioning so as to what the agencies are doing.
Right.
BJP is calling a drama. BJP is saying that Aam Aadmi Party is just doing a drama. Aam Aadmi Party says that BJP is doing a drama.
Well, ultimately, we can just say that the Janta is watching everything. Delhiites will decide on 5th of February who was doing the drama really amidst this, war of words that is continuing, and it's only going to continue till 5th. Thank you, Tejri, for the moment, for joining us with all of those details.